Hey, what's up guys? Another eBay group break, another 2011 and 12 SPX Hockey. This was the last auction team, which was the Winnipeg Jets. You can see here that the auction ended on May 11, 2012 at 9:52 p.m. Eastern Time. Winner of this auction was Last Ride 63. Here's the list of the people that are in the break with their eBay ID right next to the team or teams they bought. Sorry for the shaky camera. It goes down to the Jets. Here we go. And here's the box. You guys can see. There we go. And the serial number. It should focus in a moment. Hopefully. Come on. There you go, 957-34770 as listed in the auctions. So good luck guys. Let's hope for something big. Bonus pack here and the 18 packs. Just before I start, I just want to remind you everybody that we have a case break of this stuff right up and for registration, 14 boxes, so a full case of this hobby stuff. It's $70, $75 Canadian a spot. There's 20 spots left out of 28. We already did a case last Tuesday. You can see the video up on my YouTube, so if you're interested, just let me know, either through this channel, YouTube, or eBay, or whatever. Alright guys, so let's do this. For the Kings, out of 9.99, Vyacheslav Voynov. For the Kings. We have first hit for the Sabres. It's a Drew Stafford dual jersey. Winning materials. Base. Base. We have a dual jersey for the Jets of Dustin Byfuglien and Evander Kane. Base. Fantastic. No, I'm wrong. We have a rookie for the Toronto Maple Leafs out of 4.99 of Ben Scrivens. Ben Scrivens, rookie goalie for the Leafs. We have a patch. It's for the Rangers and it looks good. Out of 35, dual patch for the Rangers of Marian Gaborik. Sick patch. Looks like nameplates. Can focus on it properly. Anyway, great patches. A lot of breaks and color. Full hit for the Rangers, which are playing tomorrow. And the rookie jersey auto is a good one. Out of 7.99 for the Devils, Adam Larson. So nice back-to-back hits. and we have another patch, and it's a Rookie Materials number 225 matte reed, 2-color matte reed patch. Nice back to back hits. Really pretty good box so far. And we have another hit, and it's another rookie auto jersey for the Rangers of Tim Erickson. This box is loaded. Base. Dual jersey for the Red Wings, Nick Lidstrom, Pavel Datsyuk. So a nice winning combo right there for the Red Wings. Another dual jersey. Is it a hot box? Winning materials for the Buffalo Sabres, Thomas Vanek. Base. Rookie for the Senators out of 499, Stefan Da Costa. There's a lot of hits in this box. Check it, it's a good thing. Base in the last pack. We have maybe one more hit. No, base. So thanks guys for watching, and like I said, if you're interested in the 14 box case break of this stuff, which you can see can be, as you just saw me, could be very nice, just contact us and we'll reserve you a spot. Thanks guys for watching. See ya.